In this module, we are going to talk about how to give report access to a user. Normally, when you create a user, they would not have access to any of the reports. In total, there are close to 105 different reports across various modules, like in inquiry and follow-up, student management, fee collection, staff management, attendance, student evaluation, parent communication, transport, and SMS. All of these modules have reports. Every new user will not have any access to any of these reports. This is basically done because in most cases, you would not like to give access to all 105 reports to a given user. You would like to give specific access to specific people based on their function within the organization. So here, let's see how to go about giving specific access to specific reports. In order to do that, you need to go to Master Setup. Click on Master Setup. It opens up the menus. At the bottom, right at the bottom, you have the user and report setting. Click on user report setting. It opens up a few more menus. In that, you have the report access management. Click on report access management. It opens up the report management page. Now here, you need to type in the user ID for whom you want to either edit or delete certain reports. So let's type in the first few letters. It shows the list of users. Select the user and click enter, and then go down and click on the modules. All the modules like inquiry, student management, attendance, transport, all of them appear in the list. From the list, select the first module, inquiry and follow. Now assume if I have, now in this case, the user called ADM has one access to one report. The rest of the reports are not provided. Now, in case if I want to provide all the reports, then I can edit and provide the access to these reports. Right now, it is disabled. In order to enable the edit function, go and click on the edit button. Now it's enabled. You can either check mark these boxes one by one, depending on the reports that you want to give them access to, or keep on the first checkbox and right click the button. You have this option called select and deselect. Moment you select, all the boxes are check marked. You can directly give the access to all these modules. I'll show you once again. It's very simple. Keep on the first report, and select and do the right click. You get the select and deselect. If I deselect it, all the options are deselected. If I go back and right click and do select, all are selected. Now I would like to give all the report access in the inquiry module to this particular user called admin. Once I've selected all the checkboxes, click on save. Now if I go back and type admin once again and select inquiry follow-up, it will show that all the reports are available. Let's look at the second option, second report. Let's say student management. Now there are so many reports in student management. Depending on the functionality of this particular user, you can provide access to each of these reports. Now in case if I want to provide the access to all the reports to this particular user, all I need to do is click on edit. Once I click on edit, come to any of the checkboxes, right click and do select. All the reports are selected. Now I go and click on save. If I go back and check once again by typing the user ID and going to student management, it shows that all the report access has been provided to this particular user. This is how you provide access or either add or remove access to a particular report for a particular user in the system. You can close this window and go back to the main menu. Now you can decide who should access what. For example, an accountant would have different kind of functionality and they would like to access reports from fee collection or student management. Whereas a teacher will have to access reports from attendance, student evaluation, parent communication. Whereas an admin or an owner would like to access reports from staff management. An admin can access reports from transport management. A center head or a principal or headmaster would access reports from SMS as well. A front office person may need the access to the inquiry and follow-up reports. So depending on the user's function, you can provide the access to various reports within the system. This is how you go about adding or deleting or editing the report access to a particular user. Thank you.